Welcome to the Marty Sites YouTube channel. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to use our platform to build a website for your stylist business. Now, if you've just randomly come across this video today, you aren't quite sure what Marty Sites is yet. Marty Sites is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own websites in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So make sure you click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. See how it works for you and your small business. Once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your market at the top. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with various side hustles. And we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top and I'm going to search for my market, Stylist. Let's go ahead and do that. Awesome. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Great. Let's Hamasi us a few basic details about our stylist business so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name, as well as my city and my state or region. Now, it doesn't matter where in the world you're a stylist, you can enjoy the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change the type of business from restaurant to service and click on continue. Awesome. Look at that. Marty Site has literally generated a simple website for our stylist business in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look together. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see, and they're completely free to use. However, I'm sure you've got some amazing images of perhaps some photo shoots you've done the styling for, and you want to showcase it all on your Marty Sites website. You can do that. So today I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that, how to make amendments to each section. It's super simple. You don't need to know coding, you don't need to be a web developer, and you certainly don't need to hire a web professional either. So let's get cracking. I'm going to make my way to the first section at the top and click on it. Go ahead and put in my company email address as well as my phone number. I'm going to make sure my email address is displayed on my website. So I'm going to go ahead and tick the box. Let's go ahead and put in our phone number over here, as well as our address if we have one. If you don't have one, your mobile, that's completely okay. Let's go ahead and click on save. The great thing about the physical location, the street address, when your customers click on it, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions to your physical location if you have one. Let's go ahead and head over to update social links. Over here, you can put in the various social media platforms that your business is active on. The icons will be displayed at the top of your website as well as the bottom, so your customers can easily give you a follow and see what stylist jobs you're up to, and you can see all your work. Let's move along and head over to update logo. Over here, if you don't have a logo yet, I do recommend you check out canva.com. You'll find a few free great options available on the website. Also, my logo is now uploaded. Let's go ahead and click on this little pencil so we can make slight amendments. I'm going to quickly go ahead and crop it so it fits better into that section. You can as well add filters, you can decorate it, add frames, rotate it, zoom in, etc. So I've now cropped it, so I'm going to re-upload it, the cropped version, to fit better into the section at the top. Awesome. We can make it bigger and smaller, but that sizing's great, so I'm going to move along. Now with Mighty Sites as well, we pre-selected all the colors used throughout your website for you. We wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a simple website for your stylist business. Perhaps these colors don't quite go with your logo, your branding, and you want to change it. You don't need to know color coding. All you need to do is click on the little paint bucket on the bottom right hand corner and go through the various color palettes available. So I want something quite bright that stands out. So I'm going to go ahead and select that one. Look at that. That looks fabulous. Let's move on and head over to update image. Now, if you've got your own images, browse your device. Otherwise, search through the photo library, hundreds of images to choose from, and they're all completely free to use. So I'm going to go ahead and select this one. You can play around with the terms a little bit. Multi-sites automatically search for stylist. That doesn't quite fit well over there. But you can play around with the terms a little bit. Let's see, look at another page. That is a great image over there actually. So I'm going to go back to that one. Where did it go? There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that option. That's fabulous. Love it. Let's head on over to update contents. Now, over here, you can change the titles, subtitles to suit your needs. Button currently says schedule consultation. I'm going to leave it as is. You can link to another website. So maybe you have a calendar booking website that you use. Go ahead and put it over there. Otherwise, in action, like click to call, directions, or click to email. So I'm going to put it as click to email. You can upload a PDF file as well of your different rates and service if you have a PDF file of those. Over here again, pre-written content button can link to various places. Click on update section and work your magic. We've now made our way into the about us section. Over here you can put a little bit more details of how you got into the stylist industry, how long you've been a stylist for, do you cater to both men and women of all ages, body types, lifestyles, have you perhaps worked with models and top celebrities, radio personalities? Go ahead and put all the details in the About Us section. Customers would love to hear your story and how your business came to be. We've now made our way into the services section over here. You can put a little bit more details of different services you offer. Do you offer commercial styling, personal shopping and styling, bridal, online styling sessions via Zoom or Skype perhaps? Go ahead and put all the details under the services section on what you offer. We've now made our way into the lead form at the bottom. Over here, your customers or potential customers, shall I say, can send their queries to you. Click on send. You will get notified via email that you have a lead via this form, as well as find all the leads over in your Marty dashboard, which I'm going to take you to in just a second. Now, if you have a custom domain for your stylist business, click on connect your domain. Say I already have a domain and go through the various steps in linking it. If you don't have a domain yet, click on I want a new domain because you can now purchase your domain via the Marty Sites platform. Over here in your Marty dashboard is where you'll find the leads from that form at the bottom where I've just shown you once they come in. I really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your stylist business. Really wishing you and your business a mighty success. And if you have any suggestions or any features you'd like to see in future on our platform, do comment below and let us know. We'd love to hear your feedback. Don't forget the service is only going to cost you $9 a month and there is a free trial available for 7 days. Now, the great thing about the Mighty Sites free trial is you don't have to put your credit card details in like most other online services these days. So click on the link below this video and give it a go.